Hello, it's Patrick. Welcome to the Tesla Trip Show. Today we've got a product review of the Hansshow electronic rear view mirror for the Cybertruck version 2.0. Check this thing out. It's pretty cool. It's big, it's wide, it's high res, and it's sturdy. So let's check out the quick install process and my thoughts. All right, here's our Hansshow 2.0 rear view mirror. Nice. So here's a comparison between the two. The new one is bigger and more square, so you'll see more of the actual image and fits the aesthetic of the Cybertruck a little bit better. The camera built into the mirror and a speaker. That's interesting. I wonder what the speaker's for playing media? So we'll need to put the bracket on the back. Oh, much sturdier than last one. Overall, the install process isn't too bad. You just got to be pretty careful when taking off the trim. Don't pull too hard. It's pretty straightforward. The power goes in to the front and the camera goes out towards the roof. There's pretty clear instructions on which pieces of trim you need to pull out. The little pass-through for the power that connects in. A lot of the molding that you just kind of pull down. So you really want to make sure to get the cable over the airbag in case it's deployed, it's not in the way when passing through to the interior. You have to route your power and your camera cable through. After you get your cables routed in nice and tight, you can place your camera right in the center at the top of the vault. Snap all your trim back together again. Alright, so we finally have the new Hansshow Rearview Mirror 2.0 installed. And I think it turned out pretty good. Like, you really can't tell that there's any modifications to the vehicle. Can't see the wire or anything anywhere. So yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. We can see the front dash cam, the rear. We can look into some of our cargo, make sure we're okay. If the tailgate is open, we can see, which is a huge difference from the view that you normally get, which is the ground, the bed, what's behind you. It's pretty slick. It's also a dash cam, so it's recording events. It goes on and off with the vehicle now. It's rock solid. The other one was a little bit wobbly. For less than $400 and using my coupon code, give it a shot. I think it's definitely a good upgrade too. If you're just looking to upgrade, it's much bigger than the other one. The picture looks sharper. The install is much cleaner and more functional. So yeah, I'm impressed. Thanks for joining me today. Please like, share, subscribe. Any suggestions in the comments below on what else you'd like to see videos on. I try to do news videos whenever there's something significant happening in the EV space, and product reviews as I get them and I find them interesting. Thanks. See you later. Bye.